kids, it's me, Carly. I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a hot air balloon using crayons today. So let's get started and make some art. Start by drawing a curve for the bottom of the balloon. Now draw a line going straight up. Keep it going. Next, we're going to create a curve at the top and bring it all the way back down. Once again, do that on the other side. Now do another curve on the other side. Curve, bring down. Curve, bring down. The top of our balloon looks wonderful and so magical. Now let's finish the bottom. Curve back around. Did you know that hot air balloons are powered by fire? That's pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and draw the fire inside the hot air balloon. Now, let's draw the tub that the fire rests in. That's looking incredible. Let's add a few more details in our fire. Now, let's add the strings or ropes at the bottom of the hot air balloon. My favorite part of the hot air balloon is the basket at the very base where all the kids sit in. It would be so fun to ride a hot air balloon. I can just imagine how great it would be. Let's curve around like this for the start of our basket. Then go at a diagonal and another diagonal. And then another curve. Wow! One last curve. Now let's add a few decorations. The hot air balloon looks like it's ready to take off. My favorite hot air balloons are super colorful, so I've got my big box of Crayola crayons and I'm going to make mine beautiful. Let's start with red. Now let's move on to orange. Next, let's do yellow. Now for green. Let's finish off our hot air balloon's colorful top by doing blue, and violet, which is also called purple. Now let's go ahead and color in the fire with an orange and a yellow. Let's use a dark gray for the rest of the balloon. Finally, let's draw the container where the fire is stored darker gray. This almost looks like a blue-gray. Let's do the basket a dark brown around the edges and a dark brown on the inside and a lighter brown for the inside. Let's go back in with our black marker to make all the lines really stand out. I love the way our hot air balloon turned out. I wonder what my cat CupCake thinks. What do you think, CupCake? Wow, she seems to love it. She just can't get enough. Thanks for coloring with us and be sure to come back. Have a good day.